At a press conference held on the 6th of December 2022, college teachers of Meghalaya had expressed their satisfaction at the Meghalaya High Court's notification of the 5th of December 2022, wherein it was declared that teachers working in government-aided colleges are now allowed to participate in political activities in the state. It may be mentioned that a writ petition was filed in July this year by Assistant Professor Bright Starwell Marbanyang and other teachers against the state government for debarring teachers from participating in such activities. The order that was passed by Justice H.S. Thankyu of the Meghalaya High Court on the 5th of December states that the amended aided college employees rules which barred the teachers from taking part in electoral processes is not acceptable. Addressing news persons, the teachers, with a sense of gratitude, thanked the Meghalaya High Court for quashing the notification of the state government, which has barred teachers of government-aided colleges to take part in active politics in the state.
The kanika case la file hubnai July mentau senami arajar arpuar but minin so ban ayu maling baka high court kabla penbana ya kanika rai ka jungka minin hakaba pen scam ya ka kanong rim ka bangi so kabadei bat kata kalong banweng maror ya kanika notification jong government kuma PE kanika nganget mo kanika ladan hapo public domain lada page hapo ko website jong ka Meghalaya High Court pinyo la download baro kidan hangtu te menen hi ka santrik bana khat ar mentau snem ka Meghalaya High Court kala rai ban pen scam ya ka nongrim ka bangi kum kinang kai ni sothu bakari ka hok ka jogi bangi don ya ka benta ban contribute ban no senyang habidi batka kanika kam politics tengi soman ayu ya ki nong kersan ki jongi mo ki bahiyeng ki jongi ki parlok ki jongi hot idan remote ki basa kerteng hawen file persa ka government ni nalor kini ki remote ki don sibun ki nong kai ki bakersan ini nadien mo ka jing play kale saki baro bakum juru sabaro ki baran ka jing sokya habidi bakani ka notification ban khang ya ki nong kai